going back to the mission of the Reserve Force, dapat po ito ay nasa estado po ng voluntarism. Not only the mayor, but everybody can join the reserve, even our PNP. When they are going to retire, they can join the Reserve Force of the Armed Forces of the Philippines of their own choosing. Meaning, pwede sila sa Navy, Army, and Air Force. Baka mamaya masabi nyo, ang rank ni mayor is only lieutenant. It's actually a captain in the infantry. And soon enough, pag naayos na ni mayor yung kanyang requirements, we will readjust his rank to his appropriate rank kasi si mayor is also a fellow, a doctor. So, yung rank niya ngayon is equivalent sa rank niya as a mayor. But his profession as a doctor, meron pa siyang higher equivalent rank. But sabi ko nga kay mayor, in serving our country and our people, rank does not matter. It is always our heart that we are going to contribute to our country. With that, congratulations, Mayor Supervisor, sir. Welcome to the Reserve Force. Yung sinabi ni Mayor na training ng disaster, I would be glad to see more women in the action force. Yung hindi lang medyo may sakit na sa tuhod, yung medyo nakakatakbo pa, baka kayo pang i-rescue, ha? Yung talagang willing mag-rescue. I believe that our rescue team from Iloilo, the ICERs, and our Reserve Force is gladly willing to conduct the training. With that, God bless Santa Barbara, and thank you so much for welcoming us here.